What many of you said that the home page should really reflect what interests you most. So now you will see a screen with a personalized dashboard which will have information about your business.
We have made your homepage intuitive, simple to use, and informative. This homepage is customized for your business and works like your personal business dashboard. In fact, the homepage has been designed differently for dealers, distributors, sub-dealers, and national key accounts. So let's start with the navigation. All your business activities are divided into two categories, My CEAT and My Customer. The My CEAT section is for all the activities between CEAT and you, like placing orders, tracking financial transactions, checking the latest prices, getting in touch with the helplines, and much more. The second tab, My Customer, is for all the activities between you and your customers, like searching for warranties, registering claims, and accessing the e-catalog to show products to your customers. Now there are a few tasks that you would be carrying out many times in a day. Quick links are direct shortcuts for such tasks like making payments, placing new orders, and registering claims and warranties. Click on the notification icon on the top right corner to check the latest status of all the major tasks carried out in a day. From your feedback, we understood that you want to keep a track of a very few points like transactions, target versus achievement, and loyalty points. So now we are keeping it right on the dashboard. Starting with transactions, where you can see your available limit, total outstanding, and total overdue. If you want to track your achievement versus target, simply click on View Details for month-wise, category-wise achievement. Now get updated on loyalty points right from your homepage, and you can even redeem your accumulated loyalty points by using the Redeem Now button. Finally, there is an announcement section. Here you will get the latest company news on product launches, new features, and much more. With all the key information at a glance, it will certainly help your business. Thank you.